Okay, in this task we want to draw the function graph of this. Okay, so we have a, b, c, d, e, total 5 coefficients for that equation. So we need to decide the values, and we want to change it later anytime. So this is how we make it. And at this moment, this c, we cannot use that one for some reason. So the name for that coefficient inside our real formula is cc instead of just a single c. And to use these values in our equation, we can use cell value, but cell address, but give a name for that, right? So when you look at this name box, this is a, that is b, cc, d, and e, right? You just give a name for that, and that is the increment of x values to draw a really nice graph. So we decide that on and give a name for that is inc, increments for that. Okay, so that is the kind of basic setting. And then to draw the graph, we need the data. So we always need to make that one. And at this moment, that is the initial point for x values. So next one should be equals this one plus that. Then as you can see here, this cell already has a name on it. So when you click the cell, instead of I3, it gives the name of the cell. And that is very handy when we use this autofill to do this, right? It doesn't interfere with the position. It's only accept the name, so it only accepts these values every time. Okay, let's make up to 50 of them. So starting autofill from D10 to AZ10. That's the suggestion in our lecture note. So AZ is this much, right? So AZ10. Okay. So our x values is from 0 to 2. Okay. Then we want to calculate the function value on each of these, right? And our function is here like that. So use all that stuff. So in B11 equals is A times B10, because that's our x values at the moment, right? And it's going to change to C10, D10 for each of these cells, right? So that is enough. But remember, that is for x, right? And we need make a cube. So B10 caret 3. Next term is plus B, right? So we just typed B. That's the name of these cells, so it's going to be -6 in there. And times, same thing at this moment, x is this one again, right? So B10 squared. Same thing, at this moment cc is our next coefficient times B10 plus d is just constant term, so d is enough, and plus we have the remaining one, e times sine 3 times x, so that's B10 again. So close parenthesis and another one, and we're going to make it square. So that's the whole function that we're going to talk about. Hit enter, it will giving us -8. Okay, then let me just copy this for the whole y values up to AZ11. So this is how we get whole data.